Hey guys, well, we got some new bling for the boat. We got a Mantus. We have a plow anchor on here. It has drug. The boat has dragged it in a storm or two. It's a 26 pound. I think it's a little light. And we want to go with something a little heavier. So we bit the bullet, bought a new generation Mantus. I'm gonna set it up, put it together, and put it on her boat and bling her out. Hopefully she'll like it, and then we'll stay set. So here's our Mantus. We got to put it together. Got some instructions here. We bought a 35 pound. We hope that it's adequate. We went up, I think, one size for our particular boat. So we're going to put it together and get it mounted on the bow of the boat. Alright guys, we got our anchor hooked up, we got our shackle, and we got our lock wire. You always want to put that on in case your pin comes out of your shackle and you lose your anchor. Spent a lot of money on this to lose it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the mount and we'll see what it looks like. So to give you a little rundown on what our ground tackle is, we got a 35 pound Mantus. We have a 32-foot Gemini catamaran. It has a 7,000 pound displacement. We got 100 feet of galvanized, I think it's G3 galvanized chain, 5/16. 100 feet of that. We hardly ever anchor in more than 15 feet, so I think it's adequate. I also have additional Danforth, 30 pound Danforth anchor. 2 of those, and 100 feet of 5/8 line. So we should be good anchoring up in storms or inclement weather. We do not have a windlass. I opted out of that. It seems to just be more problems, and I think the exercise keeps me healthier. So I appreciate it, everybody. Y'all have a good day.